Hello and welcome to our training course about analyzers and their sampling system and how they work. Okay, I think this is one of the most interesting topics in oil and gas systems because usually we need to create a product, and this product has a quality, and the quality usually is not measured by simple sensors like pressure sensor or level sensors. So usually we have a complicated sensor which is usually called analyzer, and the course is mainly about how to maintain the analyzers and how to take care of the system, what is the advantage of the analyzer in your system. So let's start. So the objective of this course is mainly how to explain what is the purpose of analyzer and why it's different from normal sensors, and for sure we have some difference in time. And from our experience in control system, usually we have loops, inner loops, outsider loop, and usually the inner loop works very quickly, and the result of it is reported to a supervising loop. Usually the analyzer is in the supervising loop. So usually you could have a process to create some product, and this product has some control, maybe level control, temperature control, and the result is measured using analyzer. And usually the analyzer doesn't have a very fast or very continuous result, but it's sampling. So we take a sample maybe every 1 hour, every 2 hours, maybe once a day, and then we analyze it in the lab using some procedure, or we analyze it on the stream itself, okay, and to produce a result. So usually this is what we are going to talk about in our course. So maybe we are going to analyze the analyzer component and to see each result of it, each part of it, what is the function of it. And for sure we are going to see how the analyzer can misbehave or can dysfunction. And this is usually from the output of it, okay? So we are going to do something like troubleshooting and try to make sure, is it functioning well, or does it need maintenance? And this is the purpose of the second part. Usually the second day of this course we are going to talk about this part in detail. Maybe we need to